Hey singers, ever come across something that just completely shaped everything you thought you knew? That's exactly how I felt when I really understood the power of chest voice. Maybe I'm just exaggerating a little bit, but that's pretty much how I felt. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is so good to have you here today. And yeah, today we're going to be talking about the significance of chest voice. It is not just another aspect of singing, it is 100% foundational. So picture building a skyscraper. There is no way you would kick things off without a rock solid foundation, right? No. You need that foundation. That's going to hold everything together. But that's basically chest voice in our world. It's our singing's backbone. When we overlook it, we're going to be overlooking a pivotal piece of our sound. So we want to make sure that we're honing in and working on it. But here's my take on why chest voice is such a game changer. So number one, it is grounding. It gives depth and power to your sound, really allowing those low notes to resonate. Number two, vocal well-being, really pushing your falsetto or head voice when chest voice is needed can be strenuous. So really using chest voice correctly can prevent strain and vocal damage, and ultimately it is the foundation that really supports the higher notes in your voice. So number three is versatility. While high notes are essential, the depth of chest voice is really unmatched, and it's the keys to genres like blues, rock, and soul. And then number four is transitions. Really mastering chest voice helps in smoothly transitioning between registers, eliminating those breaks and cracks in your voice. Now, let's get into some exercises to really hone in on chest voice.
So you can place your hand on your chest to make sure that you're feeling the vibrations of chest voice. Stay within chest voice territory as we ascend. Try speaking it more than singing it. Chest voice. Keeping it chilled and relaxed. Really swell at the top. Adding in that vibrato.
So those were the exercises for chest voice. Remember singers, chest voice is 100% foundational. When you truly understand it, then all of the other techniques will start to fall into place. So work on it and you'll notice a remarkable transformation in your vocal range. So for those of you looking to dive a little bit deeper with this, check out my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. It has a vocal workout in relation to this video for chest voice, plus it has a whole load of other vocal workouts, training videos, and challenges on there. So download that now for free. And if this video resonated with you, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I would love to hear from you. So share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's just keep this conversation going. And that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.